We're about to enter a world without physically based rendering. Let's take a look. Hey guys! So, we're now in a world without physically based rendering. Wow, what a ride. Alright, so over here, we're gonna have what we see as a fox, a cube, and an octahedron. And we can see that there is some strokes being applied onto these different 3D meshes, and we can rotate the camera around and see how these objects block each other. It's kind of cool. And now Ryan's gonna help us out when showing us how to use his fancy pen.
Hey guys, we're going to show you how to input strokes now. So, observe, we now have our 3 different strokes that we can input on these canvases, and so we're just going to move this around. So now observe, once I start drawing, it's going to actually change the objects and their outlines. So I can be very experimental here, draw some very different strokes. If you can see the 3 different strokes, they're pretty different, but they're all reflected in different areas on our different objects. And if I shuffle by pressing S, we can assign them to different places on our objects.
In order to have a 3D application like this running in our browser, we had to develop a pipeline in which we first had to pick edges on the 3D meshes, which we would classify as either crease edges or silhouette edges. And these are the edges that we have drawn over here because these are the prominent features of the 3D meshes. The next step is to build paths using depth first search to create a contiguous path of set of edges, because each edge is very small and we want to create a larger path out of multiple that appear in sequence. And the next step is to apply strokes that we have generated, drawn, or chosen to these different paths. And the last step is visibility, in which we have different objects occluding each other and we have partial edges visible. And the way we do this is by randomly assigning a color to each edge, rendering off screen using Z buffering, and seeing from there which edges are the ones that we're going to be showing in the final result.